You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome. Today we're exploring some really compelling insights about navigating the modern professional world.
Yeah, specifically looking at how tech, especially AI, is just reshaping so much.
From market research right through to how we actually make decisions.
It's quite a set of sources we've got. A quick, but I think pretty thorough look at trends, expert views, practical stuff too.
Right. And our goal here is to pull out the most valuable bits for you.
Help you cut through all the noise and, get ahead.
Okay, so let's unpack this. First up, AI completely changing market research. The sources are showing these AI native startups moving in.
Yeah, replacing the slower, more traditional human method.
Exactly, with these real-time generative agent simulations. This sounds complex, but think of it like AI modeling realistic consumer behavior.
In a virtual space, yeah. And what's really striking, I found, is how much faster it is.
And scalable, giving insights across whole teams, not just one department.
And it gets past those old survey limitations, doesn't it? It's not just speed, though.
No.
It feels like it's redefining customer understanding itself, making it dynamic, always on.
Okay, so an always-on advantage, how does that connect then?
Well, it links directly to product management. We're
Yeah.
seeing product managers in, say, 2025 evolving.
Into what?
Systems orchestrators is the term used. So guiding AI, not just using it.
Ah, interesting. So balancing AI with ethics, personalization.
Precisely. Without losing user trust, which is crucial. And there are new trends shaping how products get tested and scaled, too.
Like?
Things like quiet pilots, testing a feature on a small, unaware group.
Okay.
And TTFS, time to first success. New metrics are popping up.
But it's not all about the flashy new tech, is it?
Definitely not.
There's this concept of a shadow work tax that many places are paying without maybe realizing it.
Explain that a bit.
It's those outdated spreadsheets, the manual workarounds people create because the official system is clunky.
Right, the things that quietly just drain productivity.
Yeah, eating up valuable time, often from your best people.
So finding and fixing those hidden drags is key for focus, for innovation.
For sustainable growth, really.
Yeah.
Which brings up a question.
How do you make sure new features actually work and avoid creating more of that shadow work through rework?
Exactly.
Well, the sources really hammer this point. Clear, testable acceptance criteria are vital.
Makes sense. Get everyone on the same page from the start.
It eliminates ambiguity, prevents that painful rework down the line, and, kind of related,
Yeah.
when you hit those really tough situations,
It's like strong disagreements, no easy answers.
yeah, the advice is a structured approach. First, assess where you actually are.
Okay.
Then clarify the facts, the goals, communicate constantly, and finally share a clear recommendation with your reasoning.
That structure helps build alignment, even when things are messy.
It does. And speaking of clear decisions,
This affects interviews too, right? Like for product managers?
absolutely. Companies like Meta apparently are shifting focus.
Oh, so.
They want to see clear, confident decisions, especially on binary trade-offs. Less of the cautious, it depends.
So choosing between feature A or feature B, you need to commit.
And back it up. Success is about showing structured judgment, speed, clarity, conviction, based on evidence that reveals real product thinking.
Okay, let's zoom out a bit. How does all this tech, especially AI, change something like creativity?
That's a great point. The idea emerging is that creativity in the AI era isn't about total control anymore.
So what is it then?
It's more about conscious co-creation.
Yeah.
Using AI as a partner, maybe for drafts or ideas.
But the human is still the editor, the one with the voice.
Exactly. True creators embrace the tools but don't surrender their unique perspective. They refine using empathy, discipline.
A commitment to meaningful growth, not just output.
Right. Which leads us to the tools themselves.
Yeah, the sources actually broke down some specific AI models for 2025 uses.
You did. Claude comes up for top-tier writing and coding, handles long contexts really well.
Okay, Claude for writing coding. What else?
ChatGPT is still strong for personal assistance, especially with its memory and voice features. Feels more interactive.
Right, like a proper assistant.
And then Gemini is highlighted for powerful multimodal stuff, images, text, code, and creative projects, especially if budget is a factor.
Good breakdown. Okay, nearly there. 2 final, quick, but impactful insights we pulled out.
Go on.
First, the smart person trap.
I think I know this one.
Yeah.
Smart people don't fail by being simply wrong.
But by being convincingly wrong, they build this super logical case on maybe a flawed starting point.
Yeah, easy trap to fall into. And the second one?
It's for leaders. Be careful trying to reassure teams by denying bad outcomes.
How does that backfire? Apparently, just mentioning the negative possibility, even to deny it, can make the fear feel more real. It sort of highlights it.
Interesting psychological point there for communication.
Very subtle, yeah.
So quite a journey there. We've just unpacked a dense but hopefully powerful set of ideas on work, tech, human interaction today.
From AI transforming whole industries down to those subtle communication traps.
It really feels like staying informed, staying adaptable,
Yeah.
just non-negotiable now.
Absolutely. That ability to synthesize information, spot those hidden inefficiencies, make clear calls even when things are uncertain. That seems to be what defines success.
So as you reflect on all this, maybe consider, how could embracing this idea of conscious co-creation with AI, or really digging into finding that shadow work, how could that change things for you, your projects, your team?
Yeah, what really stands out to you from everything we've touched on today?
You've been listening to The Vocal Technologist. Tune in next time.